Hello? Hello? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, give me 1 minute. Here we go. Okay. Can you hear me okay, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Judge Meek. This is a hearing we had scheduled. Give me 1 second here. This is a hearing we had scheduled for today, Monday, August 15th, 2022 at 3 p.m. This is a Zoom hearing. This is cause number TT037196-01. And this is Mr. Robert McCoy. Mr. McCoy, how you doing today?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Doing very well. So what this hearing on is, this is based on a petition filed by Mr. McCoy for an expunction of his record. And just for the record, this case involves a public intoxication charge with a violation date of December 23rd, 2021. Mr. McCoy entered a plea of no contest and was found guilty on December 24th, 2021. However, he was placed on a 180-day period of deferred disposition for a total cost of $581. He paid his all fines and costs and special expense fee, and he successfully completed the deferred disposition. I believe that completion date was June 21st, 2021 or 22. That was also the 180th day after the arrest. Petition was filed on this case on July 15th, 2022, and it's being held pursuant to Chapter 55 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Mr. Estrada, does the state, I've reviewed the court's reviewed the file. I believe the petition looks in order, and the appropriate amount of time has passed, 180 days. I believe this was a single offense occurrence. Does the state have anything to say on this matter?
We just have some questions asked the defendant, Your Honor, for the hearing.
Absolutely. Mr. McCoy, could you raise your right hand so I can swear you under oath, sir? Okay, and sir, I appreciate you dressing for court today. I appreciate that. Sir, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in the case now at bar is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do solemnly swear.
Okay, and you're under oath, and this is Mr. Estrada. He's a prosecutor for the city attorney's office in the city of Midland, and he's going to ask you a couple questions here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, please proceed.
Mr. McCoy, can you state your full name for the record?
Robert Lee McCoy, Jr.
Okay. Can you state your date of birth and where you currently reside?
Live, does that mean live?
Yes, sir.
Okay, August 29th, 2000. And I do currently reside back in Lubbock, Texas. I just moved back over there for a new job opportunity.
Okay. Mr. McCoy, basically the judge gave us just a summary of the rundown with regards to the particular case you're here for, looking for an expungement. In particular with regards to, see if I have the CT number real quick. I believe on December 23rd, 2021, you were arrested for a public intoxication and charged at the Midland Municipal Court for a public intoxication. Is that correct?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, as with regards to you completed the deferred disposition and you satisfied by getting that dismissed, correct?
Yes.
To your knowledge, with regards to this specific incident, are you being charged or being looked at for any other crimes relating out of this episode?
No, sir.
Okay. That's all the questions that has for this defendant, Your Honor, or for Mr. McCoy.
Okay. And I think just maybe one correction for the record. I think that this order of expunction falls under Article 45.051 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. And I believe he's eligible for that. Mr. McCoy, is there anything else that you want to tell me or you need to let the court know before I make a ruling on this?
No, that I mean, I guess it happens to the best of us, and I've always been a person to be on top of things, and I made a crucial mistake, and I did pay for it. And I would just very much like to have it off my record.
Okay, very good. And I appreciate your candor and your honesty there, Mr. McCoy. I do believe, the court believes that you do satisfy the conditions for a deferred or for an expunction of your charge. You did properly file your petition, and I'm going to grant this order of expunction. You'll receive a copy of this. I'm also going to send a copy of this to the Midland County Sheriff's Department, the Texas Department of Public Safety, the City of Midland City Attorney's Office, the City of Midland Police Department, and the Midland County Detention Center. And I'm going to order that all records regarding this offense of public intoxication be destroyed. And that will happen within 30 days. And you'll get a copy of this, and that'll really be the only record left of this. And basically, if anyone asks you if you ever got arrested for public intoxication in Midland, Texas on December 23rd, 2021, in almost all circumstances, unless you're under oath, you can say, no, you weren't, because the record will be destroyed. Do you have any questions about anything?
No, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. And it would be helpful. Could you, Mr. McCoy, could you email the court with your mailing address where you want this sent to?
Yes, I'd be more than happy to.
Okay, and you have our email address, correct? Yes.
Yes, I believe so. Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you don't, you can call the court 432-685-7300.
Okay.
And, if you don't have that. Okay, well, very good. Anything else from the state?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Okay, well, with that, we are adjourned. Good luck to you, Mr. McCoy.
Thank you, sir. You have a good one.
You're welcome.